The giant anaconda tightens its grip as the Komodo dragon thrashes, trying to strike back with its lightning-fast tail. Who will survive this ultimate jungle showdown deep in the heart of the tropical rainforest, where life itself is a constant battle two ancient titans prepare to clash? On one side, the Komodo dragon, a cold-blooded killer armed with venomous fangs. On the other, the giant python, a silent constrictor stretching over 26 feet long. When these two monsters meet, only one will walk away alone. The Komodo dragon isn't just the largest lizard in the world, it's also one of the most fearsome predators on the planet. Stretching over 10 feet long and weighing up to 200 pounds, it's powerful enough to take down deer, wild boars, and even water buffalo. Its very body is a living testament to the brutal force of evolution. With razor-sharp teeth, a bite as strong as a hydraulic press, and saliva teeming with deadly bacteria and toxins, every wound it inflicts quickly becomes a death sentence for its prey. The Komodo doesn't hunt with noise or chaos. It stalks in silence, waiting patiently for the perfect moment, then strikes with devastating power. One swing of its tail can snap bones, and a single bite can seal the fate of any creature bold enough to challenge it. Then there's the giant python, a master ambusher. It moves without a sound and attacks in a lightning-fast strike. Once it coils around its prey, it can constrict with a crushing force of over 1,300 pounds per square inch, enough to shatter the ribs of a full-grown deer. Deep in the dense tropical rainforests where sunlight barely pierces the thick canopy, lives a creature that sends chills down the spine of anyone who hears its name, the giant anaconda. It doesn't roar. It doesn't chase. Instead, it waits silently, patiently, hidden in the shadows. And in a single moment of misstep, its prey becomes the next fatal feast. Known as the anaconda, this massive serpent is the largest snake species on Earth native to South America, especially within the Amazon rainforest, the green heart of our planet. Here, winding rivers and deep swamps create the perfect stage for it to hunt, hide, and survive. Unlike its cousins, the Burmese or Indian pythons, which prefer dry land, the anaconda is a true master of the water. It can stay perfectly still for hours, with only its eyes and nostrils peeking above the surface, waiting for unsuspecting prey to draw near. Anacondas can reach lengths of 20 to 30 feet and weigh over 400 pounds, about as much as a full-grown tiger. Some rare individuals have even been recorded at over 33 feet, making them the largest snakes ever known in modern times. Its massive body is cloaked in shimmering green-gray scales, a perfect camouflage beneath the dark waters. Every movement is slow, fluid, deliberate, like a deadly current ready to strike at any second. Unlike predators that rely on fangs or venom, the anaconda's weapon is pure muscle. It hunts by ambush, using near-perfect stealth beneath the surface. When prey wanders too close, the attack is instantaneous, a lightning-fast strike. In just a fraction of a second, it lunges forward, sinking its sharp, hooked teeth into its target. Then, with powerful coils, it wraps around its victim and begins to squeeze. Its crushing force is estimated at 1,300 pounds per square inch, enough to shatter ribs and stop the heart and lungs within seconds. Once caught in the anaconda's deadly embrace, no creature escapes. It's a damp, misty morning in a dense, swampy jungle. A Komodo dragon prowls through the undergrowth, following the scent of fresh blood, the trail of a wounded wild boar. But what it doesn't know is that something else is already waiting hidden just beneath the still, murky water. Two gray-green eyes rise slowly from the mud. The giant anaconda has locked onto its prey. The Komodo lowers its head to sniff the carcass. Suddenly, a dark shadow bursts from the water. The anaconda's hooked jaws clamp onto the dragon's leg, and in an instant, massive coils wrap tightly around its body. The Komodo roars, thrashing with all its strength. It twists, slamming its powerful tail against the serpent's side, but the anaconda won't let go. It tightens its grip each coil like a steel vise, crushing the dragon's chest tighter and tighter. Desperate, the Komodo lunges its jaws, clamped down on the anaconda's neck in a deadly counterattack. Blood sprays into the air as venom seeps into the giant's body. There's no room for mistakes, no second chances. The giant anaconda weakens. Its breathing slows. Its grip begins to loosen. Both are gravely wounded, but only one will have the strength to walk away.